Unmasking the magic of demonstrative pronouns. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of demonstrative pronouns. Specifically, we're going to practice replacing nouns with appropriate demonstrative pronouns. Let's get started. Demonstrative pronouns are those special words we use to point to something specific. They can stand alone and do not require a noun to follow them. The English language has four main demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these, those. This and these refer to things that are close in distance or time, while that and those point to things that are further away. Now that we know what demonstrative pronouns are, let's understand how to replace nouns with them. Imagine the noun as a placeholder and the demonstrative pronoun is the word which will take its place. For example, instead of repeating the car in a sentence like, "The car is nice," "The car is red," we could say, "This is nice." This is red, where this refers to the car. The key is to understand the context and the distance of the noun we are replacing. If it's close, use this for singular or these for plural. If it's further away, use that for singular or those for plural. It's time for some practice. I'll give you some sentences, and your task is to replace the repeated noun with the appropriate demonstrative pronoun. Let's get practicing. 1. The dog is barking. The dog is annoying. 2. The books on the top shelf are old. The books look dusty. 3. My birthday cake is delicious. My birthday cake was made by Mom. Think about the distance and context for each one, and make your choices. Did you give it a try? Let's check your answers. 1. The dog is barking. That is annoying. 2. The books on the top shelf are old. Those look dusty. 3. My birthday cake is delicious. This was made by Mom. Great work if you got those right. And don't worry if you didn't. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for joining us in this session on replacing nouns with demonstrative pronouns. Hopefully, you're now more comfortable using this, that, these, and those. Keep practicing, and you'll master them in no time. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue to explore the exciting world of English grammar. Happy learning!